Hello everyone, this is Wenjie Wang from Brandeis University. Today I'm going to talk about the impact of price floor to our economy by going through its definition, graph, and a real-world example. Price floor is a minimum price imposed by a governmental agency for a particular kind of product or service. A good example may be price floor for agricultural products in wealthy countries like United States. The government of United States tried to protect the farmers from fluctuating prices in early 1930s by setting price supports for corn and peanuts. Let's look at the markets for peanuts. The unregulated market for peanuts is marked as capital E in my graph with the equilibrium price of 500 and equilibrium quantity of 20, aiming to support farmers and encourage them to continue growing peanuts. The government passes a price floor of 1,000, which means peanuts couldn't be sold for less than 1,000. The initial effect is any price below 1,000 is illegal and the price approaches to 1,000. So the equilibrium point shifts from point E to the point of intersection between demand curve and price floor. We call it P1. The increase in price always leads to decrease in quantity demanded for normal goods like peanuts in this case. At point P1, the quantity demanded drops from 20 to 10. The purpose of this regulation is to benefit producers, as I mentioned before, so we need to check the producer surplus. Producer surplus, by its definition, is the area below the market price and above the supply curve. In our graph, the producer surplus before price regulation is area 4, 5, 6. The producer surplus after is the area 2, 4, 6, along with the deadweight loss of 3 and 5. In the end, the producer gains surplus of area 2 minus area 5. Then how would we determine whether producer is better off or worse off? We could compare area 2 and area 5. If area 2 is bigger than area 5, producer is better off, otherwise they are worse off. How would we know which area is bigger? Let's draw two graphs of extreme cases, an inelastic supply and demand curve on the left, and an elastic one on the right. In inelastic graph, we can easily tell area 2 is greater than area 5, which means the producers are better off. In elastic graph, it's hard to compare due to my drawing, but if I draw both curves flat enough, by theory, area 5 is supposed to be greater than area 2, and the producers are worse off.